Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Yi 2.7 Ultra Dash Cam. Now this one's called the Ultra because there's two different versions, and this version that's known as the Ultra Dash Cam has the voice controls on it that the first model doesn't have. And this one also has, I believe, a dual core processor inside of it also. But I don't recall all the other differences right now, but this is this upgraded version, let's say. This is version 2 of the Yi Dash Cam. Now I saw great videos on this about the video capture and the night vision, so I decided to get one. Now I'm gonna unbox it and let you guys see what's inside. All right. Oh, this, you see this, guys? There is nothing in this box except this. So you can guess when this is moving around, it's hidden. Like, really? Like, this is how Amazon packages boxes. Look at that. There's like no safety in here. It's just rolling around. Wow, that's disappointing. Alright, now let's get to the Yi, the main attraction. This is the Ultra version. It has a different design than the regular one that they have. It's a totally different design on it. Alright, let's break this seal on it. Get my assistant here to help me. Oops, I wanna get under this plastic here. Really? Come on. Why is it so difficult? I'll go on the seams. Alright. That now. To open it up. There we go. Little foam packaging in here. It's really soft. On the sides it has a more sturdy foam packaging. Top is the soft parts. There it is. It just sticks out like that in the package. And a little protective plastic here to protect the lens. Now let's see what we have here. Alright. See what's inside this little box here. All the parts out here. Alright, that's all the parts. Let's see what we got. Start off with this guy. Your lucky number 1. This is the USB power. It has 2 USB out ports, and this connects to inside your car, your dash, wherever you have your power connector inside your car. There's many different locations. Connect it, and then you have your 2 ports here. So this is what's different. This is one of the difference from the first version. The first version has 1. It does not have 2 USB connectors. So that's one of the differences. And here we go. This is the mount for the Yi. And this is also different from version 1. Version 1 does not have this suction cup here. Version 1 has one of those, what do they call those pads, those sticky pads that sticks to your windshield that you have to remove with like a special spray. This one has the suction cup that you can take on and off. So that's one of the differences. You can see connection for the suction cup here. All right. Oh, and here it is. They also send one of those too. This is the one you get with the first version, and it has the sticky tape that you have to remove with a special spray because it gets stuck to your windshield. They also have this one. This is what the first model gets. So I guess they sent me both models. I won't be using this model. I don't want this tape stuck on my window. And now, gets the card here. And just a little booklet here about their warranty. Let's see how long it gives you here. I don't see the time. Exact time on that. Well, next is, this is your guide here. And it tells you about your parts and how to put your mount on here, where to put it. Okay. There's something still here. This is this. There we go. That's it, it seems like. Wait, there's something else. In the corner, I couldn't see it. Now, this is a memory card. This is another difference. This Ultra version, you get a memory card included. This is a 16 gigabyte Toshiba memory card. In the first version, you do not. But in this section version, the Ultra you do. And also, this is for when you're running your cable. You use this to pry the side panels and your roof panel, so you can run the cable to keep it hidden out of the way. So this is also included. The first version does not come with this included. So this is only on the Ultra E. You get this. And it's opening up the cable here. Now they give you a very long cable, so you can run it wherever you want. This is a very long cable. And you can see this end right here. This is micro USB. And the other end is the regular USB. It's a long cable. So you can run this bad boy anywhere in your car you want. Okay. Now the main attraction, the camera itself. Where it goes the mount that you hook up to your, put up to the windshield. This is the where the mount goes. This is the 2.7 LCD screen. There's the buttons here. This is not, I don't believe this is a touch screen. But you have the buttons right here. The side, micro SD card, micro SD cable connector. There's a little reset right in here, and a micro SD card slot. And I think that's pretty much it. Yep. That's pretty much it, guys. Alright. Thank you guys for watching the video. And I'll probably be making a video about using the camera, but it won't be on this video. It'll be a separate video later of me using the camera in daytime driving and nighttime driving, so you guys can see. But I hope this helps you. If you guys want to buy this camera or thinking about getting a dash cam, because it has very great reviews, always good reviews. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.